Have you noticed a trend of smartly dressed kids stealing bicycles in your neighborhood? It may seem like an unlikely scenario, but there could be more to it than meets the eye. Some experts believe that these kids are using their fashionable appearance to blend in and avoid suspicion while committing these crimes. By dressing well, they may be perceived as innocent and trustworthy, making it easier for them to steal bikes without being caught. Additionally, the allure of expensive clothing and accessories may be driving these kids to commit these thefts. They may feel pressure to keep up with their peers and resort to stealing bikes as a way to obtain these items without having to pay for them. It's important for parents and communities to be aware of this trend and take steps to address it. By educating children about the consequences of theft and providing them with positive outlets for self-expression, we can help prevent these incidents from occurring. So next time you see a group of well-dressed kids hanging around the bike rack, keep an eye out and report any suspicious behavior. Together, we can put a stop to this trend and ensure that our communities remain safe for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.